Hey YouTubers, we're marking some things off our checklist on our master bathroom renovation. We got quite a few things done this week. As you can see, the painter has been here and he got the first coat of primer and paint on the walls. He's got one more coat of paint to go. He's got 2 coats on the ceiling and he's painted all of the trim in 2 coats except for the baseboard. So tomorrow's Monday. He should be in tomorrow to put the second coat of paint on the walls and to finish painting all the baseboards. The sink hardware has been installed, as you can see, and all of our shower hardware, including the glass enclosure, has been installed, and everything has been grouted. So I'll give you a little peek at that. So there's the shower, and so that's 100% completed now. What we lack is the electrical work and having the toilet and tub installed. And once those are put in, and then the mirror and frame should arrive possibly this week, probably next, and those will get mounted. And that's about it. The only thing for us to do then is start buying towels, and we're going to get a couple pieces of artwork to go probably right here to the left of this window. And we're looking at something to put on this far wall here. This wall is going to be pretty much occupied with the towel warmer and rack, which is going to go all on this wall here. So it's been an interesting journey. We're very, very happy with the outcome. Can't wait to say that this one's done. And then we're going to start on the guest bathroom. We're going to have the contractor put down the same tile in the guest bathroom. We just bought some extra. But he started packing in his tools and he has begun on his next job. And so we're hoping that he'll circle back and finish this soon. Hopefully right after the painter leaves, and at some later date he will come in and put down the floor in the guest bathroom, and the rest of that remodel is just pretty easy. It's just replacing faucets and things like that, so we're going to do that one ourselves. I'll definitely post some videos, so like and subscribe if you'd like to see how this ends up. I'll be doing a before and after video after the final video in here, and I'll also be making videos for the guest bathroom remodel. So please consider liking and subscribing. I appreciate you watching. Take care.